Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nababalik sa panibagong video. Ako sana maglalaro ng free random horror games. Well, maghanap tayo ng mga free random horror games sa internet at nalaruin ko siya ngayon sa harap ninyo. And I hope mag-enjoy kayo. So ano pag inihintay natin, nalaruin na natin sila. So it's the time to play this game. So ang first na lalaruin natin today is a Black Lamb. So nasa middle of the road tayo. Aking tugtugan yan. So tayo yan. Ba't parang familiar yung mukha like sa mga horror game ko na nalaro? Yeah, turbo mo. Ano yung Slenderman? Ay, nag-drip. Ayun ba yung Black Lamb? No, hindi siya Black Lamb. Matcha siya. Matcha na kambing. Tanga. What? So, matcha nga siya, guys. Matcha. May black balls. May black balls. What do you mean balls? Your black balls. What do you mean? Your black balls. Yung balls mo ba, lamb? Are you the lamb? Feels your palms. Acting game to. So, feels your black ball feels my palms. So, feels your palms. Oh, okay. The Black Lamb. So, yun yung intro. Ayun palang yung intro. Huh? Yung sumabog yung sasakyan natin sa harap natin, tapos nagpakita yung matcha na goat. I mean, matcha na lamb. You can turn on the flashlight by pressing F. Okay, but parang Juicy Life to. Like, yung Juicy Life na fan. Yung flashlight natin, mission, follow the Black Lamb. Black ba yan? Color green yan eh. I mean, may pagka-black siya. Black with green. Like matcha flavor. So, pag kinatay ba yan, green ba yung lalabas dyan? Ask the villagers for help. Bro, they're doing some high kicks. Look! Bro! May pa-zumba yung SK barangay dito sa kanila. Hello, pwede ba ako sumali? SK chairman. I had an accident at the entrance of the village. I walk here and need help. Please help me. Uy! Oh, creepy. Sino yan? Matanda. Oh dear, I'm so sorry to hear that. My house is over there. Let me take you in. Prepare some food and let you rest. Okay, thank you. Kung sino ka mang matanda ka. Follow the old man. Bro, what the heck? Bro, look at her, bro. Nagsasaya sila. Yo, ginagawa ba nila yung ritual? May ginagawa ba silang ritual? Sino SK chairman dito? Ha? Sinong kapitan nyo? Ang nabigyan ng ayuda, oh. Tigi-1,000. Cash assistance. Okay, so ito ba yung susundan natin? Bro, what the heck? Ang creepy. Ay. Bro, ang creepy mo, madam. Tumitindig balahibo ko. Pasok ba ako? There's some food in the fridge. You can heat it up and eat. Okay, thank you. I'll go inform the doctor in the village. Don't worry. I'll be back soon. Oh, inform the doctor? Who the heck? Doctor? Ano yun? San Telmo ba yun? So, ayun siya. So, asan dyan yung doctor? Sa gubat? Sa gubat ba yung doctor? Okay, may telephone. TV na hindi gumagana. I mean, 90s TV. Radio. Ano meron dito? So, we have water dispenser na sobrang luma. Like, tinataob para makakuha lang ng tubig. Fridge. Microwave oven. And Meron tayo, can we pick up the knife? No, we can't. So, Zuzumba pa rin sila till now. Nagzuzumba pa rin sila. So, fridge. Lamb, testic. Lamb, testicles, kebab. What do you mean lamb, testicles? Kakain natin yung buto ng lamb. Yung ari ng lamb, testicles. What the heck, bro? Investigate the house. Okay, investigate the house. So, ano yung investigate natin? Yung basura. Di ba tayo lumabas? So, pwede na ba natin kainin? So, magkaroon tayo, magka-gain tayo ng energy and makakasali sa high kicks nila. I don't know kung anong ginagawa nila. Investigate the house. Inidoro. Ba't walang pinto to? Pag naliligo ka, open wide yan. Oh, cabinet. What do you mean hide? What? A photo. 1940 to 2060. RIP? The old man who brought me here died in 2016? How? Dito place? Okay, may nagka-crack na sound sa likod ko. No! Bullshit. May kambing po dito na nakapasok. Investigate the house. Can we eat the testicle lamps? But the heck, nakatayo ba yung lamb? Tapos may tinuturo siya. Nakaganon ba siya? May tinuturo siya. What? What the heck? May kasama siyang Enderman. Naipag-negotiate siya, ibebenta niya yung kaluluwa ko. To leave? Escape from the village? What? No, bro. Small D. Bro. Inaamag na agad. Suluman na nga matagal na yung bahay na to. Yung testicle lamb. Okay, wala na naman yung mga rep. Okay, labas na tayo. Escape from the village. The heck? May cameraman siya? Uy, ang liwanag. Our intention is not to disturb, nor to steal. Frick, I guess you're not a djinn? I thought I had caught something real this time. Anyway, go behind the door and close it quickly when I get close. What did you say? Are you saying you saw a real djinn? If you're telling the truth, I'd get out of this village as soon as possible if I were you. By the way, if you encounter a djinn, close your eyes and count to 3 silently. Adios, amigo. Adios, sir. Saan sila pupunta? Oh! 1, 2, 3. Tek, need na natin lumabas. Fuck, 1, 2, 3. Hindi natin lumabas ang village. 1, 2, 3. Please, tama na kaka-jumpscare. Kaka-flash sa mukha ko. I'm done. Ayun ba yung djinn? Is it the real djinn? 2, 3. Ito ba yun? Di, libingan to eh. 1, 2, 3. Libingan to. Mga labi. 1, 2, 3. May mga bahay dito. 1, 2, 3. Mabilis ba ako magbilang? May simbahan dito, oh. So, entrance ng village. Pambira. 1, 2, 3. Oh, may simbahan dito. Ito ba yung labas? So, wala ni mga na-high... Mga taong nag-high kicks. Mga tao ng SK. 1, 2, 3. Ito na ba yung labas? Ito yun. 1, 2, 3. Oh! What the heck? Nahabol tayo ng reporter! Restart? What? Takbo na tayo. Escape from the village. Inabot tayo ng mga barangay dito. Mga SK chairman. Mga buhaya. Mga kapitan. Takbo lang. Ba't kamukha ng reporter na nag-aabol sa atin? Uy! Please, 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 please. In the 2000, black lamb with green eyes seen in the village were considered as a sign of jinn, and were regarded as a symbol of misfortune among the people. Events such as weddings encountered in the dark of night, people disappearing with the sound of call to prayer, and the food served at these weddings turning into animal droppings caused these rumors to intertwine with dark realities. This short game is inspired by the chilling stories told during your childhood. So, ano siya, like, ang tawag dito, like, based on a true story or kwento-kwento lang, I think. Skip. So, next, The Butcher. And wala kang idea sa game na to, so laruin natin siya. Another night in Oak Heaven. The village is finally quiet. Everyone is tucked away, oblivious to the fact that their world is about to change. Mr. Miller has been killing homeless people, and he thinks he's clever enough to stay ahead of the law. He treated them like a practice target, sure that nobody would never ever care enough to ask where they want. Tonight is the night. It's be the night, will be the night, I will fall for you. Time to get to work. Anong gagawin natin? Pick up the knife? What the heck? When do you pick up the knife? Where's the freaking knife? So the knife was right here. Clever knife. Hammer. Place the knife in the shopping cart. Okay. Then, radio. Pick up the hammer. And place it the cart. Yeah. Enter. Pick up trash bags. Okay. Ano to? Hindi ko gets tong pick up trash bags. Plastic wrap. Place trash in cart. Okay. What the heck? Ano to? Tutorial. Place trash in the cart. Okay. So, pick up the plastic wrap. Ano to? Magbabalot tayo ng Shanghai? Okay. Take the shopping cart. Drive. Okay. Oak House. 32. Oh, okay. What? Missing person. Missing person. Clara Miller. Last seen on October 12 at her residence in Oak Streets. You mean these streets? 34 years old, brown hair, hazel eyes, wearing a silver heart locket. Her husband Arthur Miller is offering a reward for any information. If you have any leads, contact the authorities immediately. Okay. So, house 32. Drive to a house 32, 23, 24. Oh, may sprint naman tayo. Wala. So, punta tayo ng 32. Ang light naman masyado. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So, malayo pa yung nalakbayin ko. Pambira. Killer ba ako? Killer na nga lang ako. Layo pa. Wala ka bang sasakyan? Like, alam mo sa mga killer, may gumagamit sila ng sasakyan, tapos once na mapatay nila yung target nila, ilalagay nila sa trunk. Awa! Who are you, bro? Stranger, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Could you spare $10? I haven't eaten all day. Here, just take it. Thank you, you're a kind man, sir. Okay. So, don't interrupt me again or else magiging isa kang hamon. Sa Pasko, nakita mo ba yung hammer? Kita mo ba yung hammer and chop? Pang butcher ko and also plastic bag, trash can. I hope, malayo na siya. Drive to Oak 32. Saan yung 32? 29. That's my birthday. Like 29. Can we go here? Akit tayo. Yes, we can. So, dito pa sa kanto yung 32. House 32. Ba't ang layo? Tapos, nakaka-shopping cart pa siya. Oh, excuse me guys. So, 30, 31, tapos ayun yung 32. Ba't walang katao-tao sa village ito? Like, wala ring dumadaan sa sasakyan. Is it middle of the night na ba? And wala ring ban. Shy type ata yung ban. So, 32. Ayop, hindi sumusunod yung lalaki, ano? Okay. You have everything. Find Mr. Miller and knock him out. What? Sa likod ba siya ng bahay niya? Missing person ay asawa niya? Oh. Do we need our hammer? Hindi ba natin kunin yung hammer? Then pupuk natin sa ulo niya? Oh, wala na dito. So, hawak na natin. And yeah. Ang gagawin lang natin, iligpit si Mr. Miller. Knock him out. Okay. Nag-yearn siya. What? Drag Mr. Miller in the base. Okay, Mr. Miller. Come here, buddy. So, na-knock out kita. Yeah. Your body is mine, bro. Sa loob ka ng genjutsu ko. Wait lang, oh. So, maganda hilahin kita sa paa. So, asan yung basement? Is this your basement, bro? Yeah, come here, Mr. Miller. Oy! Dito. Ang sabi ko, dito. Dito, tol. Yan. Dumito ka. Ano gagawin natin sa kanya? Interrogate Mr. Miller. Interrogation. Interrogate Mr. Miller. Oy. Mr. Miller, please let me go. I have a wife. Clara is waiting for me. Wala na si Clara, bro. Patay na si Clara. I killed him. Did they have anyone waiting for them, Miller? The people you left in those alleys. Mr. Miller. They were nobodies. No one is looking for them. Why do you care? Because they were human to you. They were just practice. They were invisible. I saw everything. Wait, what are you doing? No, stop. Clara will wonder where you went. The police will call it missing person case. Oh, akala ko patay na si Clara. There's another ghost in Oak Heaven. Goodbye, Mr. Miller. So, interrogate natin siya. Ano kaya pwede natin? Pinturahan natin siya. Buhusan ng gaas. Huh? This is Clara Miller. He didn't lose her. He butchered her. Sick bastard. Oh, so killer siya. Okay, gets ko yung kwento. So killer pala tong si Mr. Miller. Pinatay niya yung asawa niya? Okay. Gets. Look, the body parts. So, lahat ng tao dito sa alley, kaya wala ng tao dito sa alley na to, sa lugar na to, sa Oak Heaven, because pinatay niya lahat. So, he's a killer. Collect the body parts. Place all the trash bags in the cart. Wait, hindi lahat patay eh. May isang, may isang nakatakas hindi siya nakatakas. Okay. May jump scare, I think. Feel ko may jump scare. Kasi, may isang binigyan tayo kanina ng pera, I think. Isa siya sa mga papatay rin sa atin. Hindi ko lang sure. Like, tinapos ko lang yung cycle, bro. Para dumami tayo at humayo kayo at magpakarami. Guys, in the trash can. Oh, in the cart. My bad. Dali na lang natin yung cart doon. So, para mas madali. So, yung kwento nito, siya yung killer, si Mr. Miller. And pinatay niya yung asawa niya. And lahat ng tao dito sa alley. And tinapos lang natin yung cycle para tapos na yung nightmare dito. Gets? Gets? No. Gets ko na. Okay na. Go back to your place. Yeah, I think bubulagain tayo nung lalaking kanina binigyan ko ng pera. Hindi ko lang sure. Oops! Oops, nasaan ka, tol? Magpalabas ka. I think hindi naman niya siguro gagawin niya sa atin, no? Kasi binigyan naman natin siya ng pera. Like $1? Nakalimutan ko na. Go back to your place. Okay, I think dito yung place ko. Pustahan, may gagawin sa akin yon. Oh, man. Feel ko nasa likod ko siya eh. Babalik-balikan ako nun. I think. Hindi ko sure. Pero sure ako na babalik-balikan ako nun. Yeah, like manghihingi ng pera, ganun. Oops, nandiyan ka ba sa likod? Nandiyan ka ba sa harap? Gilid? Wala. Naka ano yun, di ba? Green. Tapos maitim. I mean, well, never mind. Okay, I think nakaabang siya sa atin eh. Feel ko na nakaabang siya sa atin. Feel ko na dito siya sa blue na car. Mayaman siya, may kakasasakyan, tapos ay, wala. Oh, may kulay. Kinakabahan ako. Bakit kaya? Babalik lang naman ako sa lugar ko. So, nag-grocery lang ako ng mga meat, ng mga karne. If gusto humingi ng lalaking yon, pwede ko siyang bigyan. Spare, like spare. Saan ko ba yung siya banda nakita? Feel ko dito siya eh. Nandito siya, guys. Feel ko lang nandito siya. Man, ang creepy. Saan yung bahay natin? Man, kinakabahan ako. Asan siya? Ito ba yun? I think, yeah, nakaabang siya sa atin dito. Take the shovel in the garage. Hello? Okay, close this. So, ano yun? Like, extra lang ba siya? Hindi ko lang. Or sadyang, like, beggar. Beggar lang siya. Take the shovel. Okay, lilibing natin siya dito. Dig. Okay. Place bags in the grave. Ilang kunin nga natin to. Nakabahan ako eh. 2, 3, 4. So, naka-place yan. Katawan. Ulo. Katawan, kamay. And bewang. Tapos paa. Kaya mo na. Cover the... Okay. Cover the grave with dirt. Kino-cover ko na, tol. So, yun lang yung kwento niya. Like, Mr. Miller. So, yung bangkay ng asawa niya, nandun sa baba. Sa ilalim ng garage niya ba? Tama ba? Underground. Ang tawag sa underground. Thanks for playing. Yun lang yun. Okay, I think yun na yun. Press any key to exit. So, I think yun lang yung horror game for today. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibago kong video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel if gusto nyo pa ng ganitong episode. Like free random horror games. So, 2 lang yung nalaro ko for today. 2 random horror games lang. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo kahit papano. So, kita na lang tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Bye-bye.